Today, I want you to make love all day and with most everyone you encounter. Friends, relatives, your coworkers, even people that you pass by on the street. Everywhere, with everyone, make love all day. Let me show you what I mean. Just beautiful, right? You see, you don't have to be Bill and Melinda Gates or Oprah to make a difference. It doesn't require a grand act to positively impact somebody's life. And it doesn't require romance or affection to make love happen. So I challenge you, today and all weekend long, how many people can you make love with? Set a goal right now, 5, 10, 20, 50, and then track it. Simple gestures of love. Things like leave a letter of encouragement on a coworker's desk or car. Bring in fruit or fresh smoothies for the office. Pick up a piece of trash in the parking lot. Return somebody's cart for them at the grocery store. Let someone go before you in line. Compliment a stranger in the elevator. Buy a coffee for the person behind you in line. Thank a teacher, a boss, a mentor with a sweet gift. Write a letter or send a care package to a soldier. Shovel a neighbor's walkway if you live where it snows. Walk a neighbor's dog or babysit their kids. Bring in someone's trash cans. Leave an extra generous tip. Buy a Starbucks gift card on your phone and text it to your friends to use today. Spread your love seeds everywhere today. And don't forget to make love with yourself. Do something loving for you. Go for a walk at lunchtime. Go for an extra long workout. Go get lost in a library or bookstore for a couple of hours. Go to a movie by yourself or a long walk on the beach or in the park or in the woods. Go get a mani-pedi, facial massage, or barber's hot shave. And as you make love today and all weekend long, as some of the observers were to the man in the video, don't be discouraged if others think you're being foolish. Make love anyway. Just know that the love you put out comes back to you tenfold. That's the magical power of love. So, share with us, Darren Daily community, what are all the ways you'll be making love today and this weekend? Declare your intentions and share your ideas in the comments below. Inspire the love in all of us. And as always, the best way that you can express your love for the work that we put into making Darren Daily happen for you is to spread the love to others. Please share today's Darren Daily with those you love and care about. And on this Valentine's Day and every day, I want to tell you, I love you. I love who you are, how you show up, and the positive impact that you're having on the world. I love you for being the exception and your relentless pursuit for better every day. Happy Valentine's Day.